All right, I am back. I grabbed a couple parts for this 400 that we are rebuilding. Um, Here I have some paint that I'm going to go back over the frame with. It works really, really well, industrial strength. And the frame had a couple rust spots. I'm going to go ahead and take care of them. Um, I've already hit most of them with a wire brush, just a little cleanup. Here's some brake cleaner to prep the frame before I spray it. I went to the parts store earlier and got some Healy coils for the original problem with the bike. When I took the valve cover off, as I stated in part one, I seen a mismatched bolt, and actually, I can show you guys the bolt. It kind of threw me off a little bit and made me question the rebuild. The bike had a previous rebuild, and like I said before, this bike will be for sale when it's done. I wanted to make sure it was right. It's supposed to have these style head studs in it. These I'm showing you right now. But what I had seen was it actually had this bolt. Let's see, this would be the exhaust side. So it had this bolt through the head, and kind of threw me off a little bit. But the threads are different on this bolt. These are standard threads, and these are metric threads, of course. But I got the proper helicoil for it. If any of you guys are wondering what helicoil you'll need, it is a M10 1.25 size. I'm probably gonna have to double up the Healy coils just to make sure I got enough thread. But that's where we're at with that. That's the next move. The bike I have taken completely apart. Just like I said, this bike will be for sale. I want to make sure it's right. Checking bushings, brake system. I'm gonna replace the rear bearings. Also the rear carrier bearing. Right now I'm prepping the frame to paint. As you can see, it has a bunch of rust spots, and it just doesn't look too hot. I've stripped it completely down, and my next move is to start painting some of this stuff and trying to get it cleaned up and ready for this rebuilt motor that's going to be going back on here pretty soon. I should do a segment on how to bite off more than you expect. This bike, in the beginning, I expected to get, a bike that I have to do a rebuild on, possibly top end rebuild. You didn't really expect to strip it down to a frame, but it's all in the sake of having a good finished product when it's done. So whoever is interested in purchasing this bike, man, you're gonna get a good one. As you can see, I've torn everything down, inspected everything. Any bushings, bearings that need to be replaced, I will along the way. The engine will be a completely rebuilt engine with aftermarket Healy coils. So then actually Healy coils are stronger than the original studs going into the aluminum. So somebody will be getting a good bike. I'm gonna replace the oil cooler. I've taken it off as well. The oil cooler was actually bent. I'm gonna replace it with a bigger one. I've also got an oversized gas tank just to kind of keep this thing cool. I've built a couple of 400s before. I know what issues they usually have, and I'm just gonna take care of all the stuff while I'm here. But man, y'all stay tuned, man. We're gonna get some stuff done. I know this head doesn't look, or not head, this jug doesn't look the greatest on the inside. We're definitely gonna hone that before we put it all back together. It's just got a little surface rust, nothing major, no scarring or anything like that.